Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we shine a light on heartwarming initiatives and inspiring stories from around the world. Today, we're taking a trip to Northamptonshire, where a simple wooden shed is making a huge impact on the lives of individuals at Burywood Hospital. Before we dive into this amazing story, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Now, let's get into it. Nestled in the bustling town of Duston, Northampton, Burywood Hospital is not just your typical mental health facility. It's a place where healing goes beyond medication and therapy sessions. Last summer, Northamptonshire Healthcare NHS Foundation Trust introduced a unique addition to the hospital grounds, a wooden work shed. This isn't just any shed, it's a beacon of hope and a workshop for the mind. Jenny Jenkins, a specialist occupational therapist at the hospital, shared with us how this supportive setting has sparked growth in the hospital's service users. We've seen incredible transformations. This shed has become a springboard for our patients, helping them to access further education, work, and leisure groups in the community. The shed offers patients a tranquil space for reflection, socializing, and engaging in hands-on activities. They've learned practical skills like bike maintenance, furniture restoration, DIY, and gardening, skills that prepare them for a smooth transition back to their daily lives. But it's more than just skill building. The shed stands as a peaceful retreat where patients can practice coping strategies and enhance their well-being. And it's had some remarkable successes. One female service user was so inspired that she enrolled in a carpentry course at Northampton College. Another patient, a retired carpenter, found a new routine and significantly improved his behavior and sleep patterns. Funding for this life-changing project came from the generous hearts at Northamptonshire Health Charity, along with donations and local community fundraising efforts. Rob Powell from the charity told us about the joy of hearing the incredible success stories emanating from the work shed. To see a new or dormant passion ignite, increasing confidence and providing a real sense of achievement, is truly brilliant. It's amazing to see how a simple structure like a shed can become a cornerstone for recovery and personal development. This project reminds us of the incredible potential that lies within community and therapeutic spaces. What do you think about Burywood Hospital's Workshed initiative? Do you have similar uplifting stories to share? Drop us a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. If you found this story inspiring, give us a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more positive stories. Until next time, keep making a difference in your world, and we'll keep bringing stories that uplift and inspire. Goodbye.